Alright, let's get straight into it. The Great Pyramid of Giza. For centuries, most of us have been taught that it was built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu. But here's the wild thing. There's a growing group of experts and researchers who think we've got it totally wrong. What if the Great Pyramid wasn't a tomb at all, but a colossal ancient power plant? Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. First off, the evidence against the tomb theory is actually pretty compelling. There's no mummy, no treasure, no hieroglyphs or ornate wall carvings like in the other famous Egyptian tombs. The only thing in the king's chamber is a plain, empty granite box. Not exactly the burial fit for a god-king. And you know what's even weirder? There's only one tiny statue of Khufu ever found, barely 3 inches tall. Compare that to Ramses, who's got massive monuments everywhere. It just doesn't add up. Now, let's talk about the engineering. The pyramid is aligned to true north with mind-blowing precision, within 3/4 of an inch, over 755 feet per side. Its base is flatter than a pancake, with all sides nearly the exact same length, and it was supposedly built in just 25 years, placing one massive stone every 6 minutes around the clock. That's insane, even by today's standards. But here's where it gets electrifying. Literally. The materials used aren't random. The outer casing stones were made of white limestone, a top-notch electrical insulator. The inner chambers are rose granite packed with quartz, which is piezoelectric. It generates electricity under pressure. Even copper fittings have been found in the narrow shafts. In 2018, scientists confirmed the pyramid can focus electromagnetic energy in its chambers. Archaeologists have even measured electromagnetic readings inside and above the pyramid. So, how would this ancient power plant work? According to the Giza power plant theory, it all starts with vibrations from underground water and earthquakes, funneled into the pyramid's base. Chemical traces suggest that hydrogen gas was produced in the queen's chamber, then moved up to the king's chamber. There, the vibrations amplified by the granite create a piezoelectric spark, energizing the hydrogen and turning it into a microwave beam, which could be transmitted wirelessly, just like Nikola Tesla dreamed over a century ago. And get this, Tesla himself was inspired by the pyramids when he tried to build his own wireless energy tower. But just like the ancient project, his work was shut down. Now, I'm not saying the power plant theory is proven fact, but with mysteries like these, it's hard not to wonder, what if the history books have it all wrong? What if the pyramids are more than just ancient tombs, but the remnants of lost technology beyond our wildest imagination? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing history. See you in the next one.